English alphabet. A is for apple. Apple is a fruit. B is ball. B is for ball. C is cow. C is for cow. D is for duck. E is for egg. F is for 5. G is for globe. H is for hen. I is for identity card. J is for jeep. K is for kangaroo. L is for leopard. M is for moon. N is for notebook. O is for onion. P is for postman. Q is for question mark. R is for rabbit. S is for ship. T is for tiffin, a lunch box. U is for understanding. V is for vegetable. W is for watch. X is for Xmas tree. Y is for yacht. Z is for zebra. Thanks for watching. You may subscribe my channel and like my video.